Nowadays, with the advancement in technology, we have implant options. And what is an implant? An implant is a titanium post that's placed in your bone, and it will function as a tooth. Implants are a better option because it functions just like your tooth, and compared to a bridge, you're destroying adjacent teeth, and cost of implants are very, very affordable. When it comes to cost, there is no cost to shaving natural, healthy teeth, and that's what you do with a bridge. Implants are very affordable. We have various financial options and we can fit it into your budget. Most of our implant patients are teachers, truckers, workers. These are patients who have not been smiling for a long time or hiding their smiles behind their hands. And the ability to give them the smile and just like flash that smile and cry over it, that's very gratifying for me.